All right, guys, how are you? I hope everyone is doing good and trading well with your own experience. Welcome back to another live session. In this session, we will discuss the possible next move of gold and other currency pairs. I still did not have analyzed any other currency pair. Instead, gold. I have just marked few things on gold chart in front of you guys what I am expecting for today and tomorrow. We will discuss it completely. First of all, my name is Hamza and I am the founder of GFR SMC and the SMT cycle. You can say me your mentor. You can uh, mm, you can mark anything for me. Okay. I will wait for 1 or 2 minutes so most people can join our live, and then we will start our analyzing session. First of all, congratulations for all of those who have joined the SMT Cycle Mentorship for 2025 and 2026. Okay, and this is the one of the best mentorship I have ever presented, and this will be the mentorship. After that, you will never need another mentorship which can make you a successful trader. In this mentorship, I am covering everything about ICT and CRT, guys. There is nothing and other institutional method after this. What is your job? You just need to learn each and every concept deeply. You just need to learn deeply and you just need to practice every concept at least 5 to 10 times a day. You need to backtest just only 1 month. You can learn after learning each and every concept. You just need to analyze. You just need to backtest these concepts for just 1 month for forward test and back test. Then you, I can say, you will be a professional trader. Yes, experience you will gain time by time from the market, but the concepts which you will learn after the back testing, after the forward testing, these concepts will stay in your mind and you will get experience from that too. That's why back testing and forward testing is much necessary before taking any live opportunities. Okay, so before jumping into the charts, let's talk about the gold picture which I am sharing in front of you guys. It's a daily time frame, and you have seen that I have marked the buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity, and I have marked a clear cycle right here. Right here, I have marked a proper entry cycle. You guys can see. Let me see how much members have joined our live. So I can. Are you guys can hear me? If my voice is clear for to all of you, please comment me and tell me that so I can uh, process further for this live. Okay, Riyanki, too. Yes, that's great. So how was the day? Did you guys have take any trade today? For me personally, I did not trade anything. I was sleeping because from last 2 days I was in Pakistan and I was in the Raivin uh, Marcus for just for some Islamic reasons. Hope some of you have attended that too, because that was that and there was a lot of community which was comes from overall words to just to stay for 3 to 5 days and say prayers like that. Okay, I'm gonna start. Yeah, after 2 minutes, no matter how member will be seeing this live or not, everyone can just watch it later on YouTube as well. Okay, guys, that's great. Actually, I have a flu from last night, so I just not seeing much online. I will do proper analysis. I will try to do everything perfectly right here. Okay, all right. First of all, before jumping into the charts, into the live charts, you have to understand about the fundamental pictures as well because price did not move randomly. Okay, it's always driven by time, liquidity, and narrative behind the fundamentals. You can say. Okay, now you have to understand these cycles. For this week, the fundamentals are aligning up perfectly with our algorithm moves. Okay, like the price action and fundamentals are aligning with each and other. We- First of all, if you see on the DXY, let me show. DXY was clearly moving towards the upside, right? There was a two consecutive weeks of bullish momentum, and in the last week, we can see in the price section in the fundamentals behavior, DXY have lost his buying momentum and start moving down minorly. Okay, it start behaving a reversal, or you guys can say it start sharing weakness. You guys can see the weakness in the DXY chart. For this, you guys can say that market expectations for further interest rates are quickly increasing. There will be more rate cuts we can see in the upcoming few months. You guys can say for the next month or maybe up next month. Okay, that's why we are seeing flow shift into the metal, especially gold. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions and energy concerns are adding fuel to safe haven demand. We have the safe haven demand right now, which is a US oil. Okay, so fundamentals, we have a soft USD tune and a risk of environment. We have a risk of environment overall in the whole market, and when that happens, smart money they date back to the gold and major pairs like USD, Euro USD, like GBP USD, like AUD USD, to start find the strength. Okay, can I pass perform with your signals? Of course, Capybara, you guys can pass over your performs by using our signals. It's clearly up to you. Okay, For now, let's discuss about the gold chart. You guys can see we have our daily time frame narrate in front of you guys. Okay, according to the fundamentals and according to the technicals. First of all, I will talk about the technicals. You guys can see we have this buy side SL taken already from the market, and as you guys know, I mostly don't trade on Mondays, and here is the Monday candle. It's moving towards the upside and clearing all the minor liquidities from the daily time frame. Okay, it's a daily time frame. I am expecting bullish Monday candles to close above this high. It will close above this previous week's high. You guys can see if it will close above from the previous week high, which is right here. We have to see the closing candle. We have to see the closing candle, guys. Okay, we have to see the closing candle towards the previous week high. If this candle will close above, I will see Tuesday candle to behave like this. I will mark. You guys can see. Uh, uh, you can say that this is your Monday candle. Okay. And here's the previous week high. It is the. I am marking the structure which I wanna see today and tomorrow in gold. This is your previous week high. I remember that this concept is I am just talking about this structure according to the this structure. I will not recommend anyone of you uh, to follow this inside pattern into any week high and any week candle. Okay, I am just sharing it according to this setup. Okay, what I'm expecting that Monday candle needs to close above to the our previous week high. Okay, it will be something like that. Okay, something like that. After that, we have this FVG as a key level. Okay, this is your key level. You guys can see as I have marked right here. This key rebalancing zone expect correction to fill FVG and if inefficiency. Price is moving towards the upside to fill this inefficiency, which was sell side imbalance and buy side inefficiency. Price needs to price needs to fill that inefficiency like that. After the Monday candle close, we will see the Tuesday price. In the Tuesday price will take the Monday candle high and fill this inefficiency right above the previous week high. Okay, then we will shift. We will see the context time frame to give a confirmation in the CRT formation. After that, we will see the lower time frame confirmation to execute our setup, and we will target the Monday candle 50% and Monday candle low. Also, we can target these sell side liquidities sitting behind these lows if Tuesday candle will be closed or something like that. Let me see. Let me show you guys. Okay. I am marking at each and everything for all of you so you guys can see the each concept very clearly. Okay. If you guys can see mm, like that. If remember my words, guys. If we will have a bearish body closing and the body closing will be smaller than the wick. Okay, body closing or the Tuesday candle body needs to be smaller than its wick. Okay, and if it will not mitigate the 50% of the Monday candle on Tuesday, then I will be going to target these sell side liquidities this rest for this resting week. Okay, have you guys got my point? I will repeat it again. If Tuesday candle will be closed bearish and the candle body will be smaller than the candle wick, and the second thing is, and the second thing is, candle will not mitigate itself like that, then we need to target these external liquidity which is sitting behind these two lows. These are the relative equal lows, and we will target these lows. Okay, it was the daily time frame narrative which I have shared with all of you. Yeah, it's a daily time frame. Okay, that's great. And let's discuss the smaller time frames as well. We have this SMT cycle, which was just an SMT. Remember, everyone just knows about the SMT, which is the just SMT for everyone. But for me, there will always three type of SMTs. One will be SMT, the second series will be with SMT, and the third series will be then SMT. There will three type of SMTs, but no one knows about that. It's just because I have personally discovered all of these things, and I have shared these concepts into my SMT cycle mentorship. All of my students will going to learn all these concepts very clearly and very deeply. So in the H4 time frame narrative, we have this SMT cycle right here and BSL right here, and price taps into this IFPG. Okay, after tapping into this IFPG, price have cleared this ERL. After taking the ERL in a shorter time frame, okay, price taps into IRL, clear the IRL. Okay, after that, price have taken the ERL again right here. After that ERL, if now, if now price will tap into this FVG, then I will be looking for buy for the short term. Okay, this is the BISI. This will be a key level for me. Let me see. Yeah, this will be your key level. The price is around 4076 and 4075. Okay, if price will tap into this FVG, then I will look for some another confirmations. Okay, in the daily time frame. Oh, sorry, in the H1 hour time frame. Okay, now I can see the things very clearly. Here is a major sport area. Okay, this is the RBS level, and I have aligning the FPG BISI with that R block 2. Okay, I am marking all of these things, and I will be looking for these zones, the two zones to buy, and I will be targeting this previous week high. Okay, guys, let me see if I will mark. This will be our sell side liquidity for the tomorrow. This will be your tomorrow's targeting liquidity. And for now, you guys can look for buying opportunities from these levels 4085, and the second will be 4075. These 100 pips zone will be your next buying opportunities. Okay, If I can see that if the next hourly candle will be closed bearish like that, then in the second next hour I will be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, if this candle will be the next candle will be closed bearish in the S1 hour time frame, you guys can looking for buying opportunities like that. Okay, remember the candle closing things will be much important. Hold on, guys. Okay, until that, do you have any kind of questions? Then you guys can ask me. I have cleared the whole narrative top-down analysis for gold. No matters, bro. I am just here to give you some kind of knowledge. Okay. Only the my job is to share all these deep analysis with all of you, and you just need to analyze and see these analysis perfectly. Hmm? Alignment. Can you share signal premium after confirmation? Yes, I will show. Miyaji, I will surely share the entry confirmation. Yeah, if I get any kind of confirmation around these areas. But mostly I'm not trading Monday. I will start trading from Tuesday. If I will get a buying entry to target these shorter term brown liquidity, then I will surely looking for buying opportunities. You should you should get goal time tables for your algorithm. Yeah, thanks for recommendations, bro. Okay, if you guys have got all of these, then I can start further analyzing the next chapter. Miyagi classes, timings, and everything you guys will get today. You will get the course access today. I have just increased the enrollment time to the 17th November, but we will start further our SMT cycle journey from today night. Okay. Okay, I am starting and furthering discuss. I will discuss the Euro JPY as well. I have marked this area and I have just complete the target right here. I was targeting this high, okay, and my target is just completed right above here. Here was the entry from right here. If you wanna see, I can share you the proper signals from my VIP channel as sure I will share. Let me share the yes. You guys can see the proper entry, proper execution, and proper TPSL right here. Sorry, this was the entry. Okay, and I was targeting the 50% of CRT, and the final target was right here. And you guys can see how it works on the real charts. Okay, let me share the real chart timing. You guys can see here was the entry from the lower time frame from these areas, and the target was this high, and 50% of target was right here, and price has just mitigated the target perfectly. Okay, this was the breakdown of previous uh, channel. Here was the one stop loss which I have taken on the GBP USD in the last week. Now I am deleting the chart and start building the next narrative right here. Okay, if you have seen the analysis from the last week, I have marked these analysis as well. Let me see into my Telegram channel. Yeah, I have to share something with you guys more. It was the USD JPY structure, and it was the free trade which I have provided into my Telegram channel. Okay, you guys can see everything right here, and let me show you the live results as well. USD JPY already have mitigated its target which was provided by me. No, it's not mitigated, but almost going to pass the targeting liquidity right here. You guys can see the same exact move which I have marked. Price have drive through the exact areas and target the initial liquidity, and the uh, final liquidity target will be right above this high. Come back to GBP USD. Okay. Okay, guys. For personally, I was watching the same exact buying opportunities from right here after taking these ERLs, but I will start a top-down analysis for your USD and GBP USD. First of all, I will be looking for GBP USD. Okay, so here was the SMT cycle price have given then SMT. Remember, this is not only SMT. This is then SMT. Price is given just above with these highs. What that means? That means that uh, the GBPU have already taken all the selling initial liquidities, and Now price is going to take a deeper displacement towards the upside. Okay, and price have just taken the previous day high liquidity right here. Okay, what I am expecting, I am expecting that price will fulfill this uh, uh, Thursday candle. This is the, sorry, this is the Monday sorry, this is the previous week candle. We have a weekly time frame, so this is the previous week candle, and I am expecting price to fulfill this 50% of the previous week candle. Okay, what I'm expecting in the daily time frame, I'm expecting that if this Monday's candle will be closed above, and I will be looking for short from this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency from this area, and when price will mitigate the higher time frame initial round liquidity, and in the same time frame and in the same price level we have this key level, which is the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and when price will tap into that key level, we are going to trade this Monday's candle range right here. I'm expecting the Tuesday to mitigate this key level, and then I will be trading Monday's candle range and will be targeting again this IFVG right here. Okay, this is just a cycle from one key level to second key level. Okay, this will be IFVG, and when price will mitigate from this area, then I will be looking for short until this IFVG, and more further than I can target this relative equal lows with a pure proper selling confirmation. Okay, if I will not get any kind of confirmation, then price is going to hit these relative equal highs. The resting liquidity, the engineering liquidity price have given from the last week, and I am going to target these relative equal highs if these key levels will be failed uh, to reverse price into a deeper retracement. Okay, have you guys got all of these points? Then I will be uh, further going to have the next analyzing chapters. Okay, this is the CISD from the higher time frame. Okay, and in H1 hour time frame, what I am looking for, I am looking for price. Yeah, we have this liquidity right here, and I have this breaker block. Sorry, it is the mitigation block. This is the mitigation block. If price fails to have the deeper retracement around these areas, I will be looking for buying opportunities right from this area, from this breaker block. Okay, in the lower time frame, and if before tapping into this key level, price will engineer this liquidity, and after the purging this liquidity, I will be going for long until these areas, until this 50% of the higher time frame initial round liquidity. Okay, after that we will further discuss the next areas, and here is the exact move which I have marked right here. You guys can see price have purging the previous week high. This will be as a CRT low. You can mark it at a CRT low, and let me see what is the CRT. This is not a CRT 360, but it's a normal CRT. Remember, my CRT 360 have 100% bid rate. Yes, it's 100% bid rate only if you will follow the proper guidance and only if you will proper follow the A to Z setups right here. We will have a six confirmation setups before taking the CRT 360 model, and executing the same setup will give you 100% win rate. And that's exactly what I am focusing from the market, and that's my more opportunities and my more you guys can see, and my more if you will follow the CRT, the alignment code models, then it will be more perfect for all of you. Okay, for now, in the daily time frame, we have this ASD level right here. Okay, price have already mitigated in H4 time frame. According to the market structure, we have this turtle soap right here. After this turtle soap, we have this market structure shift given from the market. Okay, after the market structure shift, price have not rebalanced the dealing ranges. Price have not rebalanced the dealing range. Edward Korean to the SMT traded 5 hour monthly gain join. You cannot promote anything else right here. And yes, if you are a SMT trader, you can gain 5% in a day, not in a month. Yes, if you have $1 billion in trading, you can do that. You can just gain 5% in a month. Assalamualaikum bhai, मैं आ क्या Yes, bro. What happened, Miyaji? EU consolidating. Yes, I will further discuss. I have to give a two-step verification to one of my friend. If market tap on weekly BISC, then which time frame do you use for lower time frame confirmation? In the weekly time frame, you can mark H4 time frame, and you can see M30 or M5 or even M3. You can mark. Okay, after CASD, we have this shorter term drawn liquidity right here. After the short term drawn liquidity, price is now in all of this consolidation phase. Price is now in consolidation phase. After the consolidation, okay, after the consolidation, price will mitigate this line right here. If price will mitigate this area, I will be looking for short until this short term brown liquidity. After the short term brown liquidity, I will be looking for again long opportunities until price will not hit these dealing ranges highs or these resting liquidity right above all of these highs. Okay, these is the dealing range high. Okay, and this is the resting liquidity high. Price now in a consolidation phase. Okay, after the consolidation phase, I will be looking for price to tap to come. If price will break the dealing range low first, then I will be looking for simply long from all of these areas and targeting these dealing range high. Okay, and the next round liquidity, the sitting station will be the resting liquidity right above this high. Okay, for now, this is the for me the shorter term price. In the shorter term, price is not consolidating, but if when price will will move below the consolidation phase, then I will be looking for long until these dealing range high. And when and if price will break this dealing range high first, sorry, this consolidation high first, then I will be looking for short from this IFPG, which is presenting right here. Okay, this is the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency converted into the IFPG. Okay, when price will be tapping into this IFPG SIPI, then I will be looking for short until the consolidation low until these initial drawn liquidity right here, and I will be looking for long again from these breaker block areas. Okay, this is the area where I will be looking for long again. Hope you guys have understand me what I have shared the deeper knowledge right with all of you in the your USD time frame, your USD chart. You guys can see we have a with SMT model right with this low, and it's another confirmation that price is not going to uh, break these dealing ranges high. The longer term drawn liquidity will be still bullish, but you guys can trade the shorter term drawn liquidity to reach the longer term drawn liquidity. The mostly people just think to trade price will just move the longer term drawn liquidity, something like that, or something like that. But they cannot understand that before mitigating the final drawn liquidity, price purge the initial drawn liquidity and then go towards the dealing ranges highs or the next liquidity stations. Okay, you have to understand the market cycle first. In the gold, you guys can see when I have started my live price was around the 4085, and now within the 1 hour price is going towards the my short term, my initial drawn liquidity right here. Price is now just 100 pips away from the my initial target. That's exactly what price can do. And if this candle will be closed bearish, I will be looking for the next in the next hour. I will be looking for buy opportunities. Hope Do you guys have any kind of questions from all of these? Do you guys have any kind of questions? That's great. Great. How to find a market profile bearish or bullish? This is a very deeper question, and as this is a highly paid information. Okay, this is the highly paid information, but I can share a one tip. I will share a one tip for your this question at the ending of this live. So wait for that time. I cannot, you guys, I can say that I cannot deeply share you this information cycle, because in this cycle they have a more two core components. The first will be the basic components, and the second will be the second component. First of all, I have a question for you. Do you actually know the market profile? What is the market profile is? As a mentor, I am asking you a question that do you actually know what is the market profile is? There is not an AMD. This is just not just an AMD. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution, retracement. These are the market profiles. Good. You have a basic information. That's a very good. And I will share you up. And you know actually what is the dealing ranges are. Yeah. So you are. your question answer is in your own answers. You guys can see if you actually understand the consolidation and the basic profiles, the consolidation and expansion profiles, you already know the prices in the bullish formation or in the bearish formation. You just need to clear your liquidity pool. That price must needs to taken out the initial round liquidity to went towards the and fill. You can see that fill price will fill its fuel after taking the initial drawn liquidity to fulfill the final drawn liquidity. You can see if there is two drawn liquidities, something like that, this will be your initial drawn liquidity and this will be your final drawn liquidity. And if you knows very well about the dealing ranges and about the market profiles and about the sorry what I was talking about. Yes, when if you know very deeply about the market profiles and about the dealing ranges, you guys can see after taking the initial round liquidity and when price will tape into the discount region, your prices will be bullish. Before understanding the market profiles, you have to understand the liquidity pool. Okay, after taking the initial drawn liquidity, when price will tap into discount region, then you guys can target the next the next liquidity pool right above here. This was just a basic information I have shared. I cannot go deeply into that because I cannot even cover one topic of these advanced level concepts into this live. It's the deeply topics, and I need to share a proper classes so you have the clear cut information about all these topics. Gold is bullish due to weak data from last week, which has boosted expectations of a rate cut. No lines on the chart will tell you that. I have shared this information when I have started this live. If you was seeing the live uh, while I was talking about the rate cuts and the expectations, this was exactly why I have shared the deeper knowledge of fundamentals as well. In my other lives, I did not talk about the fundamentals. I was just talking about the technical. information and the market profiles. With all these, we are waiting for classes. Then we again some knowledge about all of these BNG for sure. It will be it will be exactly I think it will be exactly after when I will close my trading sessions. I will start giving everything to all of you. Anything else you wanna ask from me, or anything else you want me to break down of any other fear? Let me know so I can see further discussion about this. Yes, I am from Pakistan, bro. This is what exactly I was looking for. In the last week, price have pushed down liquidity and now coming back to mitigating this low, this FVG, and we have this FVG right above here. So I will be thinking the price will tap from here to here, then I will again target this low as a final target. Okay, I think it's end for today. And before ending today's session, I will be talking. I I wanna talk to all of those who are serious to who are actually serious to in the learning, or actually serious to see themselves as a professional trader. Okay, I want to directly talking to those all of those all of those members who are actually serious to becoming a professional trader, not just they just wanna uh, depends on others and depends on other signals, like something like me. If you wanna fee, if you wanna use my signals, but I will not recommend, because I just you need to master all these concepts by yourself so that you can trade independently. You don't need any other person or any other member to uh, come and tells you to be a professional traders. You have seen that I have marked more than three models in front of you guys. These are my models, and all these models was I based on ICT, CRT, and SMT. Are not These are not a surface level ideas. They are the same algorithm concepts that institutions use to engineer the price levels, to engineer the price movements. Okay, and if you want to truly master if you want truly master these concepts, these game changer concepts, to reach the level you understand, or to reach the level when when you when you when you can predict the market, when where the next price will move, and why exactly the price is moving to that level. And if you want to study all these concepts, all these uh, backend price behaviors, you can simply join our SMT cycle mentorship program. It's specially designed for you, no matter where you from or where you live. All these concepts and all these chapters are specially designs in that easy way, so every one of you can understand all these concepts. Inside the mentorship, you will not just get lessons, you will get structured timing models, deep liquidity studies, and hands-on training with the real-time examples and real live market insights. Okay, I will personally guide you about the institutional order flow, about the time-based SMT models like CRT time frame work, like the ICT personal time frame models, the prop firm risk management, how to pass the prop firms, how to manage the prop firms after passing. Like most of people fail the prop firms after passing. After when they get live, they got overconfidence. They trade with high risk, and after passing the prop firm, they fail the same exactly prop firm before taking the first payout. Why this happens? Because they don't have a proper psychology which can motivate, which can help them to study how the price will actually move. And the last, the psychology framework that separates consistent trader from an emotional traders. You have seen many of people around your own friends. If you have any friend who is a trader, or if you will find more than 100, more than 1,000 traders who have learned and mastered all of these concepts very deeply, but they still fails because they did not master the mind of as a trader. This is these The whole game is depends on your own mind psychology, and I will teach you how to study, how to master your own mind. So when you will master these concepts, your mind will automatically trigger you to behave like a professional, not a gambler or not an emotional trader. I am not giving you guys a shortcut. Seriously, I am not giving you guys a shortcut. I am I am giving you guys a proper roadmap which you can follow. Bro, go to this website. Go to website. Go to this website, and you will see. I will open in front of you guys. Let me. Okay. Go to website. Go to this website. Here you guys will see the instructions. Here is the SMT cycle course. You can until 17th November. You can just get these concepts. This course price will be 149, and after the 17th November, it will be $750. Okay. For now, it is just $149, and after the 17th November, it will be $149. Click on that. Okay, and you will see uh, your card is currently empty. Return to shop. Okay, you have to enroll it. You can buy from this. You can simply buy from this area, or you can simply go to my Telegram channel. I will mark the Telegram link right here. This is the Telegram channel link. Okay, go to this Telegram channel and contact the admin so you guys can see. contact the admin, and they will give you a proper further information how to join the live. Remember one thing: this is not a shortcut, but I will promise you, I will make you a professional trader within 2 to 3 months. If you will follow the proper roadmap which I have provided into my mentorship, the SMT cycle, and even I am going to start the physical classes too. The many of you, if you will be interested, you guys will get the physical classes, and you will get a chance to actually trade under your own mentor. So the 1 hour is completed. So I am going to end this live. I hope the information I have shared into this live and the breakdown videos and breakdown chapters which I have discussed uh, the peers with all of you, it will help you to understand how to actually break down your own analysis. Mm. Thank you for coming here. I will appreciate all of you. And now I am going to give my time to my students. I will add them into my mentorship discussion room and the further where they will get the course as well. Okay, guys, take care. Allah Hafiz.